Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Mr. P's Ponderings. I really have been thinking deeply about some things lately, specifically about connection, about the relationships and the bonds that we have with each other. Take one of these little Lego blocks as a good example. By itself, it's a neat little toy. It's colorful, it's got lots of interesting things about it, but we know that it really only has value when you start to put it together. When you build something off of that, then you might have something that really is special and is creative. People are the same. We, as individuals, we can do a lot of great things, and we have things that make us stand out and all of that. But really, it's only when we come together, when we connect, that we can create something special and beautiful. But the problem is that human connection isn't as simple as a Lego toy. The pieces aren't as obvious when you try to make them fit. And in recent times, we've actually done things to make that impossible, right? We have masks that we put between them. We have gaps, literal, that we have created so that we could all stay safe. And now, as we're coming back together, it shouldn't be surprising that there are some gaps, that there are pieces that don't quite fit the way we think they should. And so we're going to spend the rest of this school year together thinking about how we can build back those bonds and create something really amazing here. We have a really solid foundation. Our kids report almost exclusively that they believe they have people who believe in them and care about them, and that they feel like they have a sense of belonging in this school. So what do we do from there? How do we continue to grow? I look forward to seeing what we build together. Thanks everybody, and have a wonderful weekend.